Ebusi anapma mo bibi akwa bi me fan by DSG TV and there ya wada. Na oni se yebetena sese ye na no nsema yetwogu e wo man ni mu e na fi western region e na ekaka bom na ye de abro e wo Nsemsem Dwumadze so e wa DSG TV. Bidi e de nana amabo ediwa bisa Tuesday no Wednesday no mentumi ambe kansa but ne nyina no e dwuma ntie to da na onam no ho achiachia kakra so te na patentine no se ne be betumi asore gina yina so biom ne ye de nsem etwegu wo man ni mu etumi de ababeso but then no ye hwe COVID-19 ada romanti no ye hwe yen semtrofo no so ya ho ye safety so ye hwe ye safety because so we the Ministry of Information Ghana Health Service information on the mind day in and day out na semtrofo ene ye to aso mienu because enkofa man nyina efri semtrofo ye yankofa mba obede na wehu so atiase na kamia ye se omampeni enum sem ode betu dwa the series of updates omudi ama ye nyina no semtrofo ye nya hyedanti ye de ewom miwa no so no aban 1.2 billion Ghana cedis from the contingency fund no at the fight COVID-19 na semtrofo de kamia ye se ye de ambem now 50% of bonus said by nurses and doctors in so semtrofo yanti ye de but if you are looking at this issue and if you are being truthful to yourself you could tell say in semtrofo bom modin ye look at tema Accra Kumasi Accra ni Kumasi ya lock down but in semtrofo kwa juma even though some of the journalists are home but they are still working na so e kama esi yiye efrim nti o he say journalists oko montin so woni market women e kasa ni ade nyine no without anything covering them from the government nti say media house na e o say otumi semtrofo ni na hoka na oye it says our media house no ne ho nya din a na say ne semtrofo no how are they going to work na so mampeni be kasa o kan brofo mu wa show mampeni speeches ni nyina na ye brofo nko na se yen na ye ka twi na se semtrofo ya mechechire nsemu ankyerɛw ana se bia brofo bi wonpo mampeni ni use modu mawo even though you can speak and understand English but bia modu with the mawo na se yen semtrofo yen break it down certain things for you obaye den na wate ase enu nkonya na no pe yesi ye ba bedi hu nkomo no na anape no me won semtrofo 2 e studio ha say ba kwa be kansa ba koso nam kwan so wo ba enti ene show no we Nsemtroni na wo hweme a let us all voice out because the more we say it no and a presidency won beti no mudi yan aka ho because this 50% they are nurses and doctors they are not the only people omumpo ni yemfa so mutina omuti hospital so sanitizer ye to wa bontin no omomunya nto obi because ebi mu use spirit ni ade nyina but we have to go outside and buy to nose masks to gloves but nurses and doctors they are not buying because buying making provision for them na de no de ye nya hwe so this is where we want to draw our argument to say buying no entene no ho na won hwe because you say media for ye hia mo mumbo asem ni hu dero yes we are doing it Monday disinfection say e wo market circle and all the municipal assemblies need district assemblies western region will be market circle I was looking at things I don't know say be a media ni be nya glass from Penifoni board I can't tell but when we got there no me amade obi anka nchem sama je gloves mpo me ni me cameraman e ko obi anka nche yenje gloves and I say yenje nose mask mpo no and it looks like ye free so ye safety there say yanka say na ye bon ho ban but ye na ye tima ye na ye citizens whether say me ye doctor me ye nurse ye na ye ka o man no ye na ye ka ho na dimu enti no se bibi sa aba na say o meyi ye free mu na say e ka me say o mu ye free mu then there is a cause for us to worry and unti na na pesi hu nkonua ye be voice out ni aka champion for say wo mu ntene wo mu ni efa hwe but ahoma ne so no menya eye GJ penny pa a share Nsemtwofo nyina so Mr. Roland Afelmoni ono e wan homa se ne betwetwe ko ne yebisa ne se eja pay sisi no contingency fund 1.2 million o matie any 50% bonus amudi ama nurses and doctors Nsemtwofo ye nka ho ana ade na mpenifo ye de aboa ye Nsemtwofo as we go out day in and day out giving out reports and then bringing out the problems that is affecting the communities now omunyanti coronavirus ne ho ye no enti no openi patroti minka mama wakwa basonko fam right DSG TV mpacha na baby bia boko de
adum te ehun ye mpacha won so won teden
nyankopon adum open ye da so yetinkwam coronavirus adaro menti ena na pe egusu aye di hu ebobo e kam aye Nsemtwofo mpenifo ye yi omani e de amayen enu nti na ye dwane abetoa wona ye yina ya no ye yina ye tire nti ye misa de na mpenifo ye de abo ye Nsemtwofo
me da so kwina coronavirus aboy ko Uganda ha yes ne dikana isi aban of next again yeah again the amazing be ma dem ya be you to isu and I didn't kunye na say so that for police for account go ma untum dem ya untum ni baba ni this media pen and what the man put in information education sensitization they no could depend with the coronavirus in the country. Now,
hello. Well, I think say MTN for ye wo mu eniema no but ye be so ana ye frɛ na woni akasa because say na me start here na make no media for eni se omu yiye free cause nsem ni nyina no and from last week me share reporter other media stations wo mu ye ne ade a it tells us say so we media for ni free we me say the robo no entumi enko akire sa mpacho me say line ni drop e kakra
say Nsemtwofo nka ho a dem ekun against coronavirus on ye the dada ho on kesi bebia because they make us okwechi the one in social distancing safety protocols and I cheche mama for what I say na dem ya be kum ha we say me can is share aban kada o aban jitum de ohona naija yenya hona dem me be bia on kesi fi nti ye trans ye cheche you know okay ye share safety ye fra edit kakra more training you catch them what to do make us say you miss some information Ghana Health Service COVID-19 response team training programs and we are who about all the regions some 12 of course and their frontliners and then I'm not for work is me a frontliner is me a frontline answer over people or 100 because and they say a young casa one of it into your transfer your transfer to know. Say, what's what you would see and casa or you would quality as Yanka. Even though a ban to make up friend, they end by traffic. They traffic a table that was a fund diaba. Number for from and things first was with the dental groups. Paying groups one book and central foods in. On final information minister, and TSU or free to be executive to Yankahu. If she was a Yankahu, it is nothing from base or conform and bad we are media. I think of them a COVID-19 fund a woman being one and TSU. No, I can say soldier farm work or police work or abandon with the ban every day, on my allowance every day. This is one almost this is rather health workers almost of their salary. The other incentives to go for contact tracing almost 156 a day. The mean what was one friend is the OT as a quata as you know. Sorry, I'm actually over too late in saying that I can't.
pay, I don't know, MTN for a day. Daytime, why a calls so now. And hello.
Hello.
But what you mean, can?
Me too, Kaya.
A Cassani ethical, and now Cassantin Pacho to Asomai.
Ana mi kana inda yake kan hun kaka da aban onte hen sufre da sem trophy wo kana phone call answer na bimu wo page we front line da because even the enyim den so to nyi be gwa po na sem pe be broadcast kwan sakwa ne be check ne da tukwa na worship amafo birum contact places today 150 cities a day. Media city. So the 4 rounds, police 4 rounds, what check amount for in terms of lockdown measures. 1 allowance. Some job for nothing. Meanwhile, electricity bills, you want before workers' salaries. No other commitment. The opium being which basically. You make those commitments in this critical time. Then I can find what I abandon things for when I do. Now, answer about some billion, near set on trophy to go be a quadrana summa, quadrana education, quadrana a because our camp, when you're quite no focus in your water and say, can I get a queen now? They won't you, especially for a central. We are more frontline than any other institution. More frontline to be in the Minister of Bambiti, no. Then them beside this, neither a Bisama in Kafu, Central for Pia below Pia, Tapa, and Sayim, a board dear, Pia, something Pia, in the head package in their bond share and operation cost. After the Minister of Transport, make us a woman nurses, a other head workers free transport, BNPM. Nti say kwam boya hen send the one fa abandon fa electricity cost allowances nyema afisu protective equipment the bonus so you go interview on ni phone up and op bakun in don't be on you afisu the microphones are short the frama for by studios in them bakun on you risks we are supposed to accept risks. Nti ye bisa abande onye na government che temporary bia take precautions we did down because make us say Semchonyi was Zimbabwe Semchonyi be to Togo why nyame the dead because of coronavirus nti say me Ghana nyi Semchonyi pia nye ben ya poponi because them ya be there on social on bia.
Well, Ghana Medical Association, omude letter by, omuni TU, so omude letter by, say omampeni, akade omude baye ejumano, be shada ni went to omuhia lockdown. Omampeni 8 year, they was here at the yo. Omampeni ebe kasa efa front line is for no hono so no. Ono so what here, what they was here at the yo. But the command is a media for the media, won't shada and consider a no papa. And so maybe say, say, what China say, I mean, say, BB a cream, na say, BB cream, and I bisa say, a dear pan is see an penny for mobile year because it looks like a yacho, ye queen in Masusa, risk, and as you say, young cosa, young boy, some new day run. We are doing it, but risk now ye take, a very dangerous say, man for force, man apply force to waiter on the presidency, on the Ministry of Health and Information, a bit higher because some of us are the rural areas, we don't have access to certain things. So benya gloves ni nose masks ni bia to crampo no. This is a couple see a short and yan konkope materials na yan pam na yan fashion yan ni ade. Na ye that's it na we are saying so omampeni sorry until when?
This is a very good question. In the out of the content in the year press conference it's about name. Na Mr. McCann, this is from there. Them a item shot them a education package maybe son maybe this man and some trouble a crap because in ya come ma a central regiment was him and look at yes when you protective gloves when you a mask when you a microphone attention poor you because out there a microphone but there were so many options. First one is the N8 option to second one is a paper edition that I didn't to Nima. Yeah, propose because of Mr. them, Yabo Prigana. One of friends first. A back friend first, yet I said, oh, in the one and a walk with them, Kunabai to go to Central Boy. They are more about their working. They can say, yeah, programs, training programs. I think so. Interway their training programs were chatting war or chatting Western yet in so Western region. In there, you were water region. And you make sure that you cover all the regions and some truffle as many central as possible. In the on one subject, what you need. Yes, there's a young one around the 7 11. Don't put out some Ghana. Like Ghana begin cooking.
Well, you are from when you walk in United States, young fancy, I do ask them not to say enche, but Ghana can say enche, nature say, Rebecca say until further notice, but between my ratio, say, be a sad day and a someone to know, looking at what you are doing, a bit to me, at the good results at their brave.
In that Mampina, I can win and can they are looking at go far who qualify as frontline workers. Worship. This and there's a first step there that they need to look at this. There's a need to limit no institution or a more front no institution. No institutions are more powerful than no institution. Them coronavirus, their queen, say, if I want Jim own ye. But from day one, they sorry, won't do your to tell you go will be near Casa. Then in Coco Station, in a Dory Park, it a equal summit on Punia. You know, in terms of sacrifice, Pia into Central. And to say, Montpellier 18 in the North, the warship was looking at the group and then a wife and make sure that working free hand.
Yo, and tonight I say, and conquer gloves, nose masks, hand sanitizer, and quam, but other things I bet to me are boy and near that send a nurse and doctors, Yama or Mubo nurses near there, or send some children, near there or baby. Sure,
a package on mechanic, they sold a 4 police work out on package. A concentrated almost 156 a day. But what concern is in which police who is Momo is the band, but make sure that a message won't be a man will be a package there. Instead, that's all when you're there. Some trouble here, you here, therefore, a with the coronavirus of Queen. There were more better what you did in Unkunim, Pian since Central, Pia, no, she comes in the media. It is I will figure Piano home, they be abandoned, but it really puts like a fat would say, what can one reveal this about being can? Nasa waka or so you listen. No one you shimna will be asking in Chapa.
Well, and in my member so, yeah, and some job for more a big media houses. Any young cancer with freelance for an so no dear na more year to ensure say this benefit is a bar yen sabe to me akabe. Would there be a line that we have to call to say okay me ensem choni me wa hase nti no say ni say ana say then na kwan be na mfa so I reach out to a semchoni bia or waga na hase.
Okay, again national media commission national media commission national communication authority well list of all media institutions in Ghana. And yes, woman council recommend one officer woman every year can say national media commission national communication authority every radio station in Ghana, every written including TBS
online phone in account.
Yes, my officer that watch every station, yeah. Every recording after 10 months before 10 months and you have to get you on it and to morning abandoning to muscle with their reviewing and see I'm very reviewing anything the front line of the frontliners.
Okay.
And see yes, into one for him. Now me answer about Madam was there was one more about Ghana, one quarter one from Ghana. Igana no kan campaign.
Okay, yɛrɛ afɔ mu ni na pema me yɛnda wase na yɛnka kyerɛw sɛ biribiara nso yɛbɛba wɔ hɔnom na wama yɛ nkyɛkyɛ because yɛn nso yɛ safety ɛho hia papa because yɛ ni hɔnom a obi enum a wɔbɛte hwee nti yɛda wase na pe yɛfrɛ wo no wagye pini na wo ni ahwehwɛ nkɔm biribiara ni so a yɛbɛsan aba wɔ hɔnom.
Itu da wase pii nyame mbɔ ho ba no hyia wɔ nyinaa.
Amen, amen. Wo nhyira wo nso. All right, ebusua GJ president na yɛne no ahwehwɛ nkɔmɔ. One was shame some trophy nyinaa so oda wo mo anu bibie ni a woni yen ekabom edi juma e wo Ghana ha se bibia tumi ye fine e na odi assurance na de e de amaye se na be nyina ho betumi atoye enti amemma studio ha se anabe me ka cho se ye hwe nsem trofo omo bambo ho nsem e wo COVID-19 fighting because we hwe contingency fund aba 1.2 million Ghana cedis aba nurse and doctors 50% bonus ye dey ama wo mo ni nyina asem trofo show but openia ma yati say ye dey so na mkwemu ba we are hoping say den for be bigger because ye no ye chimpa enti no anape no me wo the crusading guide omo western regional reporter wo ahase na afin so no mesan wo New Day TV omo programs manager. He's also a journalist, former Metro TV Western Regional correspondent. On also Mbekansa, but then Marvin James Daze, ono studio has say, ono ye the Crusading Guide Western Regional correspondent. Opening more cover. Bibi aboko. In my day, me da. Also sometimes though you say, I am fortunate be the BH. Ne say Paul and Mante besin di kanfo. The yemi then say si ano me we am senior na si Robert na masoye enti am senior
you man the man not
enti no yen semtrofo ye bambo ho sema na egu so ye kan because se wan ka wasema obi enim dia ye den how and share the fight against COVID-19 no the semtrofo no yet to help. We should say be able call programs to cover what people are donating at the end. And then in our own small way, we are also doing to help fight COVID-19. No.
That's a bit money. I'm there today, me say Kitakunza any DJ president, Mr. Afemoni, Nidi, on Cheribia. Na what kind of sido? Then some show for Obandam, Yerba Wabi of COVID-19. I young here, pa, to them I was one put it to make sure. Ashasono there we are the front liners say ebosha ama onintina o mampanyin or the lockdown or the ba Accra na Kumasi na Kasoa na ho baby bebre no a wo kan medwuma ya fon ko edwuma no nsam trofon no wo yi hen film wo kare hen de ibotumi akwa edwuma ekita wo ID card a ibotumi pay na o kire hen so da mekun yedi enyimpa ye konzenzenzan na ye hwema ye atoye nti ye one of the front liners na wasme di bisa me no ofa no inyama ye ho ofan yerba wa be ho a maka de dozin kan o de yetum ye ma manfu ina wo hu yerba no ma otsite mebe ya ebutuma bo ho bana afa ho mebe ya enkenye bi na mpo se enye bi mpo anamo na ebutu afa ho mpanyfo wan sa aka nti omna nsam trofo no e wodam akun ye nyema bebre na most importantly is accurate information there ede nsama no ede be ye ne pepe da ma manfo watsendam pepe na watse we hu anyama okodo enti e wona ye bebe yi odi hu bebre da ba a whole lot of fear achinkofo bia ho a what's the bebe say ye dey ya anore nkan even po so e ko hu sofo bi no bo mpa ya hwempo nya na misinformation bebre so wo ho enti ihe nsem kyerofo no ihe ye adwuma yin de ye ba ma amanfo we hu yerba no ma ne ba biote na yehu wo hu ne ba bio ma ota wo hu ekwana a wo butu ana na mo na wo butu a onka ma wonka yen yerba ni bi ye nyina ya ate o ya bone de wu bebre wa we frikasi abone de wu bebre mankofo ehu de yerba oyin de ekukọ kondom bebre dam twetwe wa wo for social distancing oyin de kondom afi so inchi a wo chia nsem na ada no o de ije because wo am ya atase de mmoa wa na wo de dem yerba no wonyimpa no hu name enti se bia ohunti opowo anade olakasa mpo a no hu tefi totoro na oba no ona okan wa na se wo so mpo bia okan wansa ho na de ko wenyi ho wonhwen wanu owura mu e wo so be yan yareba ne bi nti etitsi pa impo de be social distancing de be enkoko ndom enkechichia de mo be kokoro wonsa ho wano embe to mbe with seminar na onye nso a olugu e wo ma nta na ebo use hand sanitizer no kaka nti de wurubo no de nsam trofu yegodo na American yin de ma ohia pa yin de yeba ma accurate information na oya fact information na oche de kranjin da na azanete ama isro hu a waka amanfo na aze na misinformation na bi no pere wo fo ho na waze wo fo bro yin ho wade we crackers no kaka ho obaka wo moton da mo oyeli na emo ne se eba na bobo mpai Muhammad oyel sra ho enken yerba da misinformation ni na no nyansam chirofo no de yetum yeboni na gu yema nsam no mananyo otse no yede da ho ma obi ahu de da na nyama na te
hwe o se issue bi bai nsam chirofo yes ye dimwa kotini iye pa but it looks like ninyi na mu no se ye be kasa ne ade mpenifo be kasa ne ade omu nse da ensenta on nsam chirofo
I know quite.
Yeah, it's a Accra lockdown here by some phone name, whether good or bad, or money name. Kumasi, or money name. You see, look at the rate. Air cost near there, and some trophy, Gusua, any name. I said, be no mutai ye free.
I know quite.
Is it because, because seriously, I don't really understand. I don't know. Say, Penifonian tea, ye Brenna CEO, say, in Penifon, so they are not communicating well. To in Penifoni said this is the problem of journalists. Our move face or Majuma anymore. Seriously, I don't get it.
Yo, Munia,
because we are talking as journalists.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah, we say me na idea go because one can be who how.
Exactly so. Then one day it's them my elecano. What the lockdown, what the bay, and some truff was the one could know.
Papa.
Na Anna Mitchell Masha said. What kind of member you may have been in Quaidman, and some truffle was in your 2 years. Not a day, yes, him. Ah, yeah, ma, a month for whom Morocco, oh, Madame. Now, those the kind, oh, never cut there. Who here power mean there, where they have accurate information. Oh, Madame, and accurate information, a better than Ama. Say, as an Ancasa, we see no, in kitchen, no one, you know, on in see, and a American, a by this time, no, or Sadet, really be Kodom and some truffle.
Imported
Exactly. Now, really no Kodom and some truffle, and some truffle when a year bay. They not see, what the Munsukoye. I'm walking once a month. When I see the me not say, I'm a month or so to more. I say, there's some showing in Ancasa on the Munsukoye. On your mother, no man, Bobby would see ya. On also my Ossi, or Tassan, the man also by trim, but I try my
one crying pet and we are always relying on them crying for the Bamaye. And yes, sir, yeah, we ain't kind and shed anti move.
Exactly. Inti by now, no, nature training workshop, if you are Kodam and some truffle, often the mayor, but it's your home. Aquam, Abuja, and Amman Bebre, Roye, and some truffle. Be a while, will be at one kind of wooing share, no more, or tomorrow online training, or the one, what I'm at no computer, Jim, it's a medici, a link. No one lecturer or Trehan, they not expecting your white church say, Elko baby reports often the mayor will want in Yamade here in some day no day bisa, day no and a Monday no day too. The main often in church often some truffle on bay in front of church way. In Bibi Abasanoco, or yeah, President Mahama Naberdono, or Cadence what to Sukebi what to Media Development Fund. The Miscano, what so Anche, the Miscanon or Dawa, and Nanche a Genabioa, ye Genesis Yali, Nanche, able to get the answer. Now you did the Miscani be the main church, or what I chance some truffle we are often capacity builder, while building capacity. My hands so yenya, I don't want to see. The found up to now, yen say, oh. Say no muscano or said no. Say Abana Mono Hutu, and Yam Hoshi, and then get it in a way. Your phone so inch away. And when then I can send be often in some truffle, Ancasa, often a Kaza we here, I would be you, Ruma. A Kaza Titsunala in Bipina or the Ofi Media House in Ancasa. often media house na kasa nsɛmtwerɛ yi no yɛ adwuma wɔ mu no ana the company na ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ mu no nanso aban botum wayɛ ho biribi so afa ho sɛ ma yɛ kan
because if you want to feel na was starting they say you say I feel na you starting to ahoɔden to do certain things no na no say city TV almost say they are well established they have everything it is almost provided necessary be advanced kind of make pick you more up there but ask yourself so western region about how many media houses are well established or make to me
exactly inti dama no na nche aban botum ayɛ ho biribi na aban botum ayɛ ho biribi a na ibi a on kaye de media house ibi a ideas TV wonya aban bezin kita ho TV city TV wonya aban bezin kita ho ibi a joy news wonya aban radio station TV station and newspapers na online na wo hade wo many mo doors lepa oninti ana oyembe do pa de ehye program ya si enyi Mr. Filmoni ono oye nsɛmtwerɛfo kabaku no oda no e wo manim na mpanyimfo de ehu wo kalogba na wo soyo nti association no na obotum we deal with aban directly and obotum affect nsɛmtwerɛfo ina wo manim this association na nkasa no onye zena anade onjane na do hu na kalogba obe de no wa soya o ma zena ta enye de ayelba ya be afei mo no was holding kitan ho na no enche anamo na we tutu ndadadadadada ne papa mu no enche we tu anamo na dadadada de anytime ye be emergency no anamo dey na o de yitu ana wo fa no accurate or another appropriate preparedness the abo ho ayedam ahoboy no eda to ho nti assembly see na onya fi na e kakasa ho na ahwe ma ebe ye dabi you just kick start the process na enya bibia da na akwem pepepe be yi no on sadam o ma adeneta sire ma ye kan akaze na no kaka kan ho ina no nyamba yi na association no na nche or take the welfare of media for no or yeah so paramount no or yeah more proactive and nche ono dama no dama asama ye kan nche yem betan ha ye nka dama asama
say because you see on mampeni yare ba e wan sorry so ntem entina say ya gi semwe by DJ so sorry so ntem ana
one sorry
from the you say dey one matter make us home ye mpeni for no yeah sometimes omo dakakra ti say bibiba na bekenya wan so mo peda wo mu now look at what is happening afina mo be yen hihye mo happy but if say mo start from the scratch because yare in 31st December wa China I mean unity and so that was the first step I say GJ association wo mu take so we take that up na che say abai na hu say no ade na say ka front liners Nsemtwerɛfo should be the first people to attack but you see and we have become the last people kwenu kwambo they haven't even thought of us say omuni ya beka wo mo fa ye ka we don't even know
exactly it's American or no kwaba pepe inche anyakasa ya ye sisi ye fie ye ya yan ahombo ye ya ibi wo ho a etumi ya ahombo de to ho asam nsi no mpo no ya ahombo a den de to ho the asam sa Nsemtwerɛfo onam le wudzi ho akwetsen wo de wurubom wo mani mu nti anada wi asafan na yin Nsemtwerɛfo na ofan de wurubo no wudzi ho akwetsen nti se asam sa anamon day na o say the YouTube nti the man ho no nti ayi ato the wo say ma making what's what media development fund be ho able to my ahombo ato there say when there is a national disaster or emergency we are the man in order YouTube ye do bo Nsemtwerɛfo nti ono no assembly so anya free na ekwo hupanyin bi yin na ezi hu kita hu bi da bi an hihye na wa ya ato the daw nti assembly see na no che the process na la wa shase wa kick start pa Nsemtwerɛfo we here skede and the man we be training Nsemtwerɛfo bi a region bi a ye be training Nsemtwerɛfo do dey no border do yin ye bi a Nsemtwerɛfo asema wa be wo hia akaze nti ye be for association no do ma association no we tum wa boa ankwanko Nsemtwerɛ dwumani na with the menyeme akazi wa mo ho so mo akaka ho ofo no na mo na wo tu wo na ni na da na kunum pepepe lo hu ni aba but you know on sedam nti wa ma aze no na ka no akaye mo owo ho o ma na ta wa ka bibi o be hwe na Nsemtwerɛfo another Nsemtwerɛ iku ankwanko no waro ko de oh abedin se na nkyɛn hia no tire me ye ken wo yi hia na esi nkyɛn na mmom de na ɛbɛhwɛ na ade no what's the number say your fiti
tembia ne ye donation ye de mawe ye donation ye de mawe na ma media for but at the end of the day we want say media for no so a she ni ho no
exactly na say ma
me so me ka say so media for yem tie me say as at time a ye re yi ni ti wo Ghana na media ni bi ntu kwan because we have some media personnel so mutu kwan ekoye report ni ade that time na ye re ni yi ni ti media ni bia e wo Ghana ha say ya na. How then are we even checking their temperature and other stuff to see say media anywhere company or you fit to even go out and even do report?
Say American pepe nti say ehwa nchebi o hokrampa ni na mpo nka de abanom kotenko because yele kan so a yen kan yen separate issues no ehwa media houses ankwanko ni na no or yes individual business entity
yes
obi a ye na adwuma onya ho faso a oya naza mo wo mi yende bia aban beje woto of on the taxes and ebutua na emom no awu na li yigu adwuma nti yede so mo no so yede robo a yede bi so yede bo media owners no ofa no ekwan abrochi anana amanane a media houses ni bi ho a wetu na mana to the extent today nwa we wo bibiala won dwen sa aban na di baba no ye ntodo na won kase we tu ana mo no aye bibia owo me da bi na afi na wa hya ase na no kaka kan but bebre na wo ye ho a wo bibia to the stand there incha asami we si na ma chi na mo hwe CNN often reporters a wo ma wo ko ICU intensive care unit wo ko report often your friend then wana yarba no watch one zanzana was the ventilators what is ward one oxygen and what is ward am we tun waja ho no dam ekwo no onyo bia na otum wuro ho o de enye ho akaze ankasa intale ebehye ma wuti wonna wenyi
weekend city omo ko bebia ya quarantine nkofo ni everyone can and then reporter na on the ocean nose mask any gloves pe eno anu no oni other protective bia on him
azo no o chiro obotum afu
na social doctors na de omo China na de also they are on overall be
yes yes them go for the PPEs no or yeah personal protective equipment no
so it means that even though we are doing in our small ways we are doing something to help ourselves but it's not enough.
It is not enough where no into time America no this is about the time or the media houses and also no your collaboration atokola o he before ankwankwa adwuma yen there oya ye mpede ye de adwuma no ye de beta obi fofo na ze ho na ya aboma
so ye compete we see
certain crisis there is a need for collaboration either on your collaboration or the orchard or better no afebo na asam na wa aba it is asam aba okay ami me wo TVA me TVA the market the madi na mo na mo minyi na minyi TVB so or or ABCD no so onyi ABA aben wo friend EFG o ma na sa na ihe na bia no ya ka abom ama me de meze kakra bia mutosin no bia bia mutosin no wo no wa honzen wo soro wo ho na de wo so de aba na wa ka abom wo ka bom da ma ono wo to wa ye adwuma no ma wa so enua na obia so have benefit but one thing so ye ntam pe collaboration because de bia ye pede ankwanko ye na ye kere hem metum aye mo aye but urban a certain crisis you have no option than to collaborate separate more effective collaborate with even the media house be a plan e bia na ba asan wa kan bom na wan kotin we to an money be na
all these things will boil down to even I say yes Western region Western DJ Association is saying how strong is the DJ Association in Western region say I stronger no betimi aka say oh okay so there media house ye ni DJ for air carbon ni ya say but the Western DJ Association even when this outbreak by kwa dey pa no metumi aye o metumi pa friends am chofo nhie mu say ye ni mu ba dwendwu kwan betumi afo so air reportage because I hear of a money on one kind so he's expecting reports from the regional regional and say okay this is what we need, this is what we want because yet now has saying how many media houses are taking up this topic up. You ask yourself so then government even though you say a money their doors sometimes we be freebie but the more we take things up the more it will reach the president. Okay, this is what is happening. So you say lockdown we buy ya. Ya kase omampeni emani nye bisu so onye ni ade. And the koban so ye partial. But Western DJ in Ankasa, it is saying, what reports do we send out to the national? Say no, we say, okay, Western region Ankasa, he has seen. I asked the man, he said, this is a freelance journalist for us almost on my day. And he says, more data. It's more money and more data than Western region. Then I hear you.
I know Cormunia. I say American DJ and someone, if you are working to be here, or Becky, but no call so the other horse a day.
I said, what can
I am not seeing there. I look at there be a report and put on what as to whether what the report even put on for is another issue. But the fact of the matter in there, some American, don't work caliber, and what's your woe. In Yankasano, yes, ye yen tutu anamwana obibo tum wa hwe na waka de osimasi ana de mukuwi oh wole bo ho mo nti mo so mo fon bo ti de mi eden mo fon ko bo ho ni se wole tutu wa na moni ye ya ono de mo no obeye zan do bi foforo be eden obobo ehwa tire me eken ekuweku bebre na wole ye donation wodere ma other institutions na de en na nse ya mo ho na Church of Christ for waka donation am secondary prisons Kwesimintin polyclinic wa ache hon sanitizers na the doctors na wona nurses wo ho wa ma ho na akazi bia obi a obehihye ne bi na ho keka ho secondary prison was wo fumigate ho ma adene ta onye ho pati
so media for duty on
ku bebre na da na wate ekueku bebre na wole ye adoye ma adene te asem si yi wo ye adoye wo boa ma yereba no wetum ayan we si wa no na emom no Nsemsem Dwumadze say ma make ya ye adwuma ye mpa ebi ohom pa na nche wanka ya aba no mpo na nche obeye anko ekueku wala hwe region had companies ahen na wo ha bebre from oil to mining to rubber to palm oil to timber to what just name it companies na bia o matter o krom ha o region had ina wo bebre na so assemble wole adoye bebre abedinsi ina Nsemsem Dwumadze there be a we hia kazi bi we hia nchechire bi o training bi na no kaka kan wono hia ye nze no wa kichi simply because hia nkasa insist ye hu ye nti se insist ye hu ye a ono na nche bi a ekueku yi wetu mu aka de oh Nsemsem Dwumadze ye ba wa be hu na wazi hu akwatan mehwe ho na wo bo ho mbazan pa nti hu so meye bi a motu bi a the appendix wo na maka for doctors experts na adem wa ba na wo hu afo ntiti watch chechere hon ya ba na mameso otse na mesa ho mpo botu abo ho ba no afo ho abra wo kodo wo ye wode adwuma bibi anyo wotseda wesi bibi ekueku botu makare oh nche media houses ni na ale bi ideas tv one year kura de Veronica buckets ni no onye sanitizers na gloves na eyi ho keka one reporters or ya work outside onye nkofuti nkitahuzi wo ye adwuma na de ntin ho so ye brehun bi ye mo ho nose marks no keka ho bibi anyo ho tseda ma so far ma today media houses no wo will benefit from
Monday minjawano Monday disinfection says a year or market cycle and something happened mishedi but me bumeni the gusto I wanted to confront the person involved but me heni din am so minjawa na for wasame fa call na isemchoni bisa one of metro guards ne say oh mami nose mask back otuni phone. So I was looking at the Michelle ni di me boni pa Nsemchoni din sisi ana na so wo hu ni pa kra me kana asem sisi a me hwe ni din I feel say and then enya enough for enti coffee impenifo no no mo ma like seriously nipa no all carry out information in dia kwa bonti you don't think about the person but omuno mu ye adwuma no and trust me Monday no ade see here me ni me come man ye call market say inside do ye kwa kotwitwa se no mu spray se ne honom na si aye yi ni ade nyina ye hu ya so e do need so hwi omu spray gu ye so sa so imagine that time say me kama man yambo ye hu be yankasa ina o yambo ye hu ba nkakra enka look enka de besi no me wo wonim say de omo ye no so no enam say edona no odinti ambulance nso wo ho no na say wo na ye metro ka metro ni metro team no ho no si e bisa say man obi bisa say man no mask ba ko a no way to phone dia man
the man didn't say nti o said yankasa Nsemsem Dwumadze no yankasa yutwa na man na yemma onkofu wo hu yan bo a oso opano the Wubu Jume. I am pen baby na oya da obetim one watch. The men summon obey archer. Na here sumpo, yeshadan 2 wanted to baby, I would to Wabua, na yasa the massamano. Say Esha, Obano, Satse, eh? I fear him fear, and I him fear no. And you men and some truffle what, that's a pano. In some truffle, or him pedal over the woman go for what's that? What the Asamano, what they share, the Wubuni, and son. Ah, we are in a orphan broth, because you're from Gongon Bita. Gongon Bita no, no, Oko, Abanson, no Cobo, Gongon, a mouth for it, and that's there, they know a mouth now, as it go, Madame. No, one can say no more of Ghanaian movies, drama, no new plays that have Wakodo, in Bria Waberson Queen. Anytime be what they picked to Gongon Beat and what they picked in a day. What they picked to Gongon Beat and as will be a beer yoko in singing. Ah, Wabo, ah, okay, no, no Gongon, no, I'm out for other Casano, and a Wabo slap. Mid say sooner than on Tadam, but deliberately. Traditionally, the Asian Kofuti not tell us Sabio and some throwing, no here. Not the Mazano, Wako from Titan, Bessie in there, ma even politicians umpo, Yanka Kanyan, or Bibi Yanka Kanyan, no pede, what we need in Mitia. And Jizz there, Yankasa, Yaka, Bombe, Yads, we cool, or ya associations, no. What do you tune? You turn a one no yet, you turn a one no dog. You turn a one out here, yet too, Yamma a mouthful one day, and some children man was Sabiwa. When you are, and you will be able to sing. Yes, so young, papa. Na ye to the man and money, my mouthful in a woman. Now, made say, obey ye, Nina Bejan here so yedo, or the Yankasa your court. Yea, your corner, yea, more bring best proactive. You turn a one and no yazam. Now, of whom young war awesome. You whom young bosom. Into Damano Bandamna, ye lobby, ye casta for Yama. Attention about by Yabron, my hands so put you to me, Yamboa. In pen be brilliant, let me chill. Ye come out for one some, ye bomb when ye be a doctor today. That's a one allowances to be by ya. In some trophy, you ever come once a man.
Just a baby, I go far by Egina, Begina, some trophy. So, you will find them teachers so, you parent not to full up or strike, we need no hand, you can want some. Even a friend among your phone pool. Now, I do one exhibition of what you know. I don't go in some shop when I work on some. There, I'm the mini now. I don't wabble, but in Yankasa, yes, and I there you to me here and can hear you some of the papa because we feel it was journalism at day or there a bit discreet. Na neutral and say when one casano what attention on the public good nkofo won someone e come ye atoyi dem one kasa wazano be na ebu nwe gudo kakra me gizi de today ma adwene po a enya awona wo station ya in there the topic ya hu hia pa wo kan aseme me gizi de you be wake up call da me yin na yin na ya soro waka na ye twana mwana hutum wa abo me sam trodwuma no wetum akokan pa e wo. Well, we share SM12 for more safety. COVID-19 fight mu. Unim say bibia mu no SM12 for yenima enya de I say sugar. Yeni ade bi mu a enye de. No nkunya na no pay yesi wa say no nti na wo sanka Patrick ni Milatha obekansa but say ejuma na nti a ejuma ya nti wentumi amba me cancer. Enti no nkofo ma join your Facebook a mo ne yehwe Louis Trozi DK or say I just GATV wonder and crazy things in Kwan. Wow, I thank you. Or say I really love your show. When are you gonna make me laugh? Okay, so he's referring to Nsemsem one Jimmy show be a Kojo Freestyle or hosty Priscilla on Hinowa I join you live on Facebook. Dennis Nana or say I join you live on Facebook. Joshua Foley and also I join you live on Facebook. Bongo Difara, yes, also joining on Facebook, and then Dikro Ajeni Boatin, also joining on Facebook on here, share live, and run my timelines, you know, we say, I'm a media for the Muhiani sanitizers, any nose masks, gloves, cinnamon report, I good reports near their Mungo so. Alright, but young Concord and Kratotia, why bar. We'll look at the lockdown, no, and then the fight against COVID-19 assessment so far with the media perspective, how you see things so far. And my yokoje and kratotia wa yaba ebeto anko motutu so.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idin we aya mpobwa. Mpobwa so to desert, lufes, lipes na de. Say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel into brackets Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun e pem location so am a Greek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Okay, see, it was some summer cover BM na me from Bright TV. Nsemsem Dwumadze so and I when you go so oh she. And you know, Mr. Marvin, you know, share. See, I know a lockdown, but I think the second week in a go so I me. Nsemsem na about say, yeah, bubinum, yeah, bimu say. How do you assess this lockdown, partial lockdown precedent where you just because of COVID-19 and a case in air rising happening again? How do you see things so far?
Yo, today I think so far so good, but there's always room for improvement.
Sure.
Actually, lockdown and Kasano, no baby to our greater Accra, no, Manamado, greater Kumasi,
greater Kumasi,
Kasuan and no Pado Kakra. Now, the lockdown or affected. Now, so far, no, Majis there, Wabwa. To the extent that if you do, since then, you increase the number of cases. But when you look at the pace or increase as compared to other countries, within the and the Caribbean, lockdown also, and you may be so far, no so affect the often amount for one often one that day generally no about productivity before because of banana won't pay you when I work with you also no was scattered will be mumpo may and see in there even essential services one count will be once a week or twice a week and what count see extra lockdown no no phenomenal or bois ma yarbano is one na yaso ano so na ne from means to baby no productivity often yeah economy no so no affect so e wo kwan bebre do nti me just there often on the 5th of April yeah that is sometime last week or so one penny children there why Ghana medical Ghana health service why contact tracing bebre na na moment no as to whether lockdown or your bot your do or be young bot your do or be depend on results what the baby feed and contact tracing no number of nkofa what test positive or not on you or bet I think me get it so far no they not there on your baby the ma on share and your baby you because contact tracing what you say there what contact and the weight tracing nkofo about 15,000 I think about 19,000 for now, weight tracing one about 19,000. Now, no more 15,000 so now where than a ward test or one. Now we want to be aware you're positive, another one you're positive. And see, why we show me be a numbers and uncle or so baby. Now, yeah, she should be that to quit my dear. Uncle my lockdown on often a crack or master and uncle come on the young coach. Your name woman no body, no airports and your book or your shattered. Na ya day and I'm going to be adapted to appointment.
What and it's on or the 2 weeks I can wait in 1 month.
Into body a Sunday on a day, I'm there, yeah, extend the lockdown now or Bobwa, often a body airport and okay, after the virus, don't there should be life or then confused to move if you mind to young share a corner ever for that. Because the uncle my yerbanan catch name almost on Kofu to Mark or why then why when the human can cry. Now, Yebokodo maintain and I just sustain the hygienic measures and then the social distancing, all those guidelines and protocols in about ma Yarabanon Catratre. It is so far so good for me with the lockdown, but there is always room for improvement. Definitely, a Kazibi or a major residential yenya be a Bob Wam, I don't know. Agents in some idea, young yan, oh, Madanessa, you be an ammonia, one be on Jolly Utah, Obama I don't know lockdown why more effective be a yentum yen ma on so you wadam but maya ye bia maya ye so on shada
and bad sir
bad sir inti ye bokodo ya o me na can issues about whether brutalities and so yen reports
but so man penny say there is no truth in that. Those videos circulating, yes, but then I spoke to one correspondent of Kumasi, and what is on Nankasa written CB. So Mampeni can say reports on what the brand new now man good report because on Nankasa I witness CB a year boo obi and looking at the video that was some of them are real and yeah the baby I see that there been obi a cover or they have been one man a real man.
Today American or Mampeni ma there's a medicine I see here. Man, all there, it has been overblown. Another it has been exaggerated because me sure they no discount all the reports about often brutalities. Okay, there be one okay there the Ghana Armed Forces no why you wow, another soldier for another police.
So woman there say shooting now police ni be some man be say there police ni be shooting now. And also, I think it was all part of this lockdown.
Exactly. It's security agencies no one what from umbrano, another police for another soldier for one when trying one or safata no say okabande we the man where is umbrano when 80. But no or some of them also be or your videos to be from other countries be was circulate. Maybe that is the report and also to the American or what the man. Inti we can try to separate the two. If there are because you know I asked to them in some trade you may yet to be. Today I'm a message the man was some metse often the binuma and namana wood to what the bronco for na no can over home for no me my string in there say you shouldn't book that one man you should be on codo. Na one committee so now one now what busy for no so brand when 80 because
I think so when giant brona law no must exactly from law now bet you 1.2 million or something like that so I say no na my friend no money nye juma then say be bo or because enye yare ya and I don't think say say ma we na because some of the videos we shank for reaction bad like any car.
I'm important all my brain point there. And Pempi na often police for soldiers na the security agencies for no. So what from Ambra, Yan Shada, Yan one and farm required to them also no. Why there is a separate law for them and a separate law for the rest of the citizens. And to say, Infumobia Quada, Nasa Washim move on the Infumbia Quada, one member any year. You
always send the uniform and casting any pure video anymore, but I won't tell who she just because she ain't gonna phone a so but any fault. Imagine says a million piece of story and will be uncle so oh Marvin Charlie, why are they with my more coins for Cotusa? Where are you going to get your money from?
Exactly. In the American and Okoma, Macamede medicine in there, and editor Jamofono. Na elo to we find incrosofo in here a amount for no son or the yeshe hu ye now on caban there was a ibia say lu prayer one baby a lockdown was some ye kenyo ele prayer be a coach ban a drill and they be a case keep you bank and be dam e huma adanata but say enke da me maybe biara abedin sin na wo so mposa there then e pray and then mo hwe TV one of the channels papa bi dey opoyi owie na oko kejina baby na Nsemsem Dwumadze na Nsemsem out na eja na wo obanda na wo tu poyi also amia enchemu mpoyi na emomo no meka kire police fu no dey mekotu edri na meka chon mekotu edri na mama mudu poyi na titi wa de ko titi wa mo poyi mpo na mpede mo poyi mu haza wo lokwado na obi ka asem o seda ma na ehwa mbrana wa shisha ato
obi say akofo do so omu nkonkoton credit ti no mu pie
inti ode hia manfo no so yetum yezi mbrando azano ye da bo hia ye ho ye de bo hia ye busua ye de bo ankwanko ye de bo omamuni na because ibi a amede sabi wa sembe ya bana na mokwa there is a likelihood them baba me the baba mamba me nua no hona come into contact with them mostly nti abahwe na menyin pakoro no masan ndom bebre da ma na ho so godo ho so basa no nkofo a woka ho nti megizi de se hia so yetum anhyehyɛ na wɔde ato wɔn yiti do abɔbɔ hia ala na yɛba yɛn tum nyan na yɛn so yɛn si wɔn anontam na obian to me edwuma na oman no
na media for no so yen try say be your report ni yie e say bloggers na dey aba mo no mo say edwuma no o ma say mo say edwuma ne kra but yen na ye trained and qualified journalists. Let's try to be professional in our reportages. Send your be your bloggers no e be yi wo makwa no me free yakwem enti na busia maminda wase bebre say wo join in the discussion no ye hwe nsem twofo ye safety because them any politicians better na some workers no mko yes ye dey here internet to dan yan kasa so ya by DM and trust me, this is not going to be the first and the last. You better have a series of discussion concerning Nsemsem because this time no ye hu aba be di mu ankasa say penifo to me page o mumu na wo mo ehwe aha Nsemsem Dwumadze so na nsema etwegu o man ni mu no e na ye di hu enkomo enti set alaga we're joining live on Facebook and I'm MC was joining on my timeline. Inti Mr. Mabi better was say you twins are no. Oh bye. I hope say report you go so aye and to know the best be so Emma will be so any etimi. But let me say a Western region disinfection exercise no 24 aya de pa we say yes so ya de obi ade o see de your market to Benjamin Shram say cost wedding sem to say ya. I'm very positive say and as I'm sure say Western region ya record case bia hand money ndi the penifo ne be ka kire ne so na yakopon wo hwe yakopon no ochina e be san so esin kwa ne wo se no Fridays ya no ya ye die mu a ye ka bibia bi ntem ya dom ochina ye be si nkunwa e wo hasemidi e de nana ama boediwa acid acid studios ene misi wo nyamisha munyi na asem bo amena ende de dwumedie no e de brem yakopon ya dom ochina e be san so ehia